Here's what's happening. Midjourney, an AI image generator, is suing 3 major Hollywood studios. Standard copyright lawsuit, right? But then Midjourney made a bold move. They demanded, in legal filings, that these studios publicly disclose exactly how they use AI. And suddenly, everyone knows, these studios probably use AI constantly. The irony is stunning. Studios have spent the last year lecturing us about AI stealing from artists.
SAG negotiated strict AI restrictions.
Executives gave speeches protecting creativity. But now, in court documents, they have to come clean. They're using it themselves. That's the confession game. Midjourney isn't just fighting a lawsuit. They're using discovery to expose the exact hypocrisy Hollywood built so carefully. So here's where it gets legally spicy. Back in 2023, 3 major studios, Disney, Warner Brothers, and Sony sued Midjourney. Their claim: Midjourney trained on their copyrighted content without permission. Fair point, honestly. Midjourney's model learned from billions of images, including movies, trailers, promotional art. But then Midjourney's lawyers got clever during discovery. They asked, "Show us every instance where you've used generative AI." The studios went quiet. Suddenly, the depositions revealed what everyone suspected. These same studios had already been experimenting with AI tools, using them on internal projects. Some reports suggest they'd been testing Midjourney itself. It's like catching someone stealing your car, then discovering they've got 3 identical cars parked in their garage. The hypocrisy stung, not just technically but politically. Now Hollywood faced a choice: admit their AI experimentation or stay silent and look worse. Discovery had flipped the script entirely. Here's what discovery actually means in this context. Studios have to hand over documents, internal emails about AI use, contracts with vendors, creative briefs showing where AI touched the work. Midjourney isn't trying to prove damages, not yet anyway. They're building a record. Every deposition, every email thread, becomes evidence of how Hollywood actually uses generative AI. Studios can't just say, "We don't use it much." The lawsuit forces them to say exactly what they use it for. Think about what that means. Creative departments leaving trails, executive decisions about cost-cutting with AI, vendor contracts that name specific tools and budgets. All of it surfaces under oath. Hollywood studios have spent years talking about responsible AI integration, but they kept actual practices under wraps. Discovery rips that curtain down. Studios either admit what they're doing, or they commit perjury trying to hide it. It's a legal stranglehold disguised as litigation. Here's what we actually know. Marketing departments definitely use AI for ad copy, thumbnails, poster variations. That's basically confirmed already. Visual effects houses? They're likely using AI for rotoscoping cleanup, background generation, animatic blocking. Cheaper and faster than hiring another junior artist. Scriptwriting assistance is probably happening too. Not full scripts, studios aren't there yet. But beat sheets, character arcs, dialogue polish? Absolutely. Some writers privately joke about it. The real wildcard is pre-visualization and storyboarding. AI can pump out layout variations in hours instead of weeks. And in post-production, color grading, sound design cleanup, video upscaling, all AI-adjacent tasks happening behind closed doors. The admission in Discovery is basically confirming what industry insiders already suspected. AI isn't replacing the craft. It's infiltrating every single department quietly, tool by tool. Here's what actually terrifies studios most. Legal precedent. One loss here echoes everywhere across the industry. If Midjourney wins Discovery, every entertainment company gets the message instantly. You can't hide it anymore. Within months, studios face a difficult choice. Disclose or get sued anyway. That's not a suggestion. That's the new legal baseline everyone must follow. Contracts get rewritten. Job postings change. Generative AI tools becomes the new standard disclosure, like you'd list any other vendor. And it won't stop at visual effects alone. Sound design, script analytics, storyboarding. Every AI-powered shortcut gets documented and tracked. Lawyers will demand it. Talent unions will sue over it. The crazy part? Other industries are already watching closely. Gaming, advertising, publishing. They'll weaponize this case as a legal roadmap. One lawsuit, one precedent. Suddenly, hidden AI use isn't clever anymore. It's pure liability. That's what actually forces real change. This isn't just legal drama. It shows AI usage will stop being hidden. Every industry watches when lawsuits crack open secrets. Studios couldn't hide it anymore, they had to admit it. Now every company using AI is thinking about exposure. What gets revealed in discovery becomes public. What's public becomes precedent. What's precedent becomes liability. This case is a domino. Marketing teams, game studios, music labels, everyone's running the same calculation now. Can we afford the lawsuit if AI use surfaces? Most answers are no. That shifts behavior faster than any regulation. The real story isn't whether Midjourney wins. It's that hiding AI is now riskier than admitting it. Every exec just learned that lesson in expensive court documents. Next quarter, expect disclosure not because they want to, but because silence costs more.